Alright, what is going on, everyone? Today is Tuesday, August 26th at 6:53 a.m. Yes, I'm back into the States. Um, yeah, I'm trying to be quiet because my roommates are still sleeping. But yeah, I'm currently back in college. Um, I just moved in. Sorry, if you guys looked at my Instagram, I could not make a video yesterday. These last 2 days, I've been super, super tired. Um, I've been having a lot of jet lag, and yeah, honestly, I just did not want to make a. I just did not want to make a video. But now that we're back, let's make a video and let's do a trading recap of last week. Okay, because this video was supposed to be done on Saturday, but I had a flight on Saturday, so I really couldn't do it. So let's go over it today and let's see how it goes. So Thursday, Um, let's go. The first thing I want to go over first was last week. I was super good. These last 3 weeks have been super profitable. Monday open this week. I was already up 1.2k. So it's very good. Again, I'm making this video when I just woke up, so it's kind of hard, and I'm still pretty tired. But I'm gonna try my best, and yeah. So we come into Thursday. I took two trades during Thursday. Um, this first one right here, we saw a very good 5 minute SMT from the previous day, and as I saw that, a very bullish SMT on the 5 minute, and I saw that we were in this zone right here. I watched this retrace right here, and then marked out the zone. This was kind of like a liquidity sweep area. I should have moved it a bit higher, but yeah, this area I saw was coming, and we perfectly rejected off of this with, since we're like pushing up here with very high bullish on the book maps. Delta faded around this area right here, and as delta fades, what do? We enter in shorts, but I did not take shorts here. I was watching this for a while, and then Bookmaps confirmed after showing this bearish candle getting heavily rejected, buy side coming in, especially coming off of the zone. I entered right here for a long position, and yeah, this trade hit very well, 1,400, and then after that, I kind of scalped back into here. I should have taken a trade right here around this area, but I did not. I caught the shorts. I caught like a trend shorts. I did two contracts here, which was another 1,200. So yeah, these two trades were in my opinion very, very good. Um Honestly, I could have done a better entry on this one, but it was two contracts anyways. So yeah. And I think this trade was very, very well. 5 minute SMT with a delta rejection, delta rejection for the bearish side, and coming into the buy side area, pushing to higher highs. This is a good zone area for me. So yeah, that was Thursday, and then let's move on to Wednesday. Wednesday, I caught the whole morning open shorts. Well, not this whole entire short, but we rejected off of this. I watched Delta. I watched very clearly what was going to happen. Um, there was an SMT around this area right here that formed, and I entered in shorts all the way down into my zone. And yeah, this was around 103 points. It was crazy, but um yeah, 2000, up 2000 on this day right here. I think this was pretty good. Honestly, I could have waited for one more better confluence, but I did not. um i kind of just I kind of just went off of my gut feeling. Yeah, sometimes I don't know, when you trade for this song, sometimes there is like when people say, oh, but you're just gambling, but like this is kind of honestly just like that gut feeling that I get when I'm trading. And I mean, Delta also proved it. Delta was slowly fading on bullish into a bearish side. So yeah, I was just waiting on that. And I think this trade is pretty good. Um, yeah, and then let's go on to Tuesday. Tuesday took a trade again, open market. We marked out zones right here, key areas that tap in several times. What I want to see afterwards, I want to see a 5 minute SMT form, and it did. I don't know why it's right here, but yes, an SMT form that day. I wanted price to come back into this range right here that I marked, which it did perfectly, and delta shows again rejection. I've been using delta a lot, which has been helping me in my trading. But yeah, this trade hit super well, right back down into my zone right here, my demand zone, and this was for 1,200. This is really good. I really like this trade because like it's just like a perfect execution. You have my zone, rejection off the zone, and then you have a demand zone that you want to trade to. That's where liquidity wants to go, and you have a 5 minute SMT. That's where very good like trades are at. And coming to here, this is 10:30. I missed the shorts right here, but honestly, I would have went to back to break even. But this trade hit super well, 1,600 on this trade right here. I don't think there was an SMT right here. I don't think there was an SMT on Monday, but I know no news Mondays. Usually we just chop in between zones. So I had my zones marked out, and yeah, took a whole ass short all the way right here. Um, this is this is honestly like a decent trade, and yeah, caught this one for 1,600, and again, um, the way I trade is like just like off of like a recap. The way I trade is literally just supply and demand, and then lower time frame, basically supply and demand. There's not much to go off of because if we're noticing, like it's just areas of rejection, and that's where I think market will come back into next. Um, Again, I don't trade fair value gaps because I don't believe in them. If a fair value gap was genuinely real, there will be like 8 trillion fair value gaps, and your same price will come back into every single one. I don't believe in fair value gaps. But I only use supply and demand. Higher time frame, AMT. If you want to join the Discord, I'll put the link in the bio. But yeah, AMT auction theory market, or auction market theory, Jesus. And yeah, I've gotten many DMs about people wanting to be my student and whatnot recently. Um, Again, there's only 2 spots left, and I'm gonna be closing it after that. But so if you guys wanna join, please join the Discord. Number one, number two, sub, and like I hope like if you made it this far, like I understand like you wanna become like a better trader. You want to make some serious money in trading. I understand that. Again, I don't push my mentorship onto everyone, but um, if you want to join it, please join my Discord and message me. I'm always free to talk about it with everyone, and especially I mean school started, so it's gonna be kind of hard for me to teach every day, but it is a one-time payment, so there's not much to go off of that. And yeah, I hope everyone is doing well. Sorry for making this video late. It is a very quick video. The next few videos that I'm gonna make, and like I'm planning it out, is going to be maybe a bit longer, and I'm gonna go over like a new strategy or a new confluence that have been added into my strategy. I'm still back testing it, but yeah, I hope everyone is good. I hope everyone is well. If you made it this far, I appreciate you watching my video. Please sub and like the video if you gotten this far, and if you enjoy my content, just let me know, man. And Discord will be in the link in the bio or like the description. And yeah, sorry again for making this video super late. And I hope everyone stays safe. Thanks.